Hello everyone. In this slide we are going to learn about phylum Echinodermata. The organisms belonging to the phylum Echinodermata are exclusively marine. Till date there have been no traces of any terrestrial or freshwater echinoderms. So just when you look at this phylum Echinodermata, they are multicellular organisms with well-developed organ system, and all the animals belonging to this phylum share the same characteristic features. When you just look at these organisms, they are really colorful organisms with unique shapes, and they are ecologically and geologically very important. The echinoderms are found in sea depths as well as in the intertidal zones. And when you just look at the interesting feature of the phylum Echinodermata is that all the organisms belonging to this phylum are marine. None of the organism is freshwater. And next we are going to look at the characteristics of Echinodermata. They have a star-like appearance and are spherical or elongated, and they are exclusively marine, and the organisms are spiny skinned. They exhibit organ system level of organization. I hope you will understand what is meant by organ system level of organization. So cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism, and group of cells form tissues, and tissues form organs, and organs form organ system. And most members have a circulatory system as well as a digestive system. And these echinodermates are triploblastic and have a coelomic cavity. And the skeleton is made up of calcium carbonate, and they have an open circulatory system. And they also respire through gills or cloacal respiratory tree. They have a simple radial nervous system, and the excretory system are absent. And what about the body? It is unsegmented with no distinct head, and the mouth is present on the ventral side while the anus is present on the dorsal side. And 2 feet aids in locomotion, and they reproduce sexually through gametic fusion, and also it reproduces asexually through regeneration. Fertilization here is external, and the development is indirect, and they possess the power of regeneration, and they have poorly developed sense organs. These include chemoreceptors or tactile organs and terminal tentacles, etc. And now we are going to learn about the classification of phylum Echinodermata. It is divided to 5 classes: class Asteroidea, class Ophiuroidea, class Echinoidea, class Holothuroidea, and class Crinoidea. And the examples are also given here: class Asteroidea, example sea stars, and class Ophiuroidea, brittle star, and class Echinoidea, sea urchin, and class Holothuroidea, sea cucumber, and then class Crinoidea, feather stars and sea lilies. And first one, we are going to look at the class Asteroidea. They have a flattened star-shaped body with 5 arms. You can just look at the picture here. And they have 2 feet with suckers. They respire through papillae. The body comprises of calcareous plates and movable spines. Pedicel area is also present. So just example is Asterias and Zoroaster. Our next class is Ophiuroidea. The body is flat with pentamerous disc, and the 2 feet are devoid of suckers, and they respire through bursae, and the long arms are demarcated from the central disc here. So just example is Ophiderma and even Amphiuria. Our next class is Echinoidea. The body is hemispherical. The 2 feet contain suckers. The body does not have arms, and the body has a compact skeleton and movable spines. Again, example for Echinoidea is Echinus and Sidaris. Our next class is Holothuroidea. The body is long and cylindrical, and the arms, spines, and pedicel area are absent. And what about the respiration in Holothuroidea? They respire through the cloacal respiratory tree, and they possess 2 feet with suckers. Example for Holothuroidea is Cucumaria and Holothuria. And the last class is Crinoidea. The body is star-shaped. The 2 feet have no suckers, and the arms are bifurcated. Spines and pedicel area are absent. Example, Neomatra and Antedon. You can just see the pictures what is given at the sides in the slides. And this is an example. You can just see have a look at the picture: Echinus, Antedon, Holothurion, Ophiothrix, and Astrea. Thank you.